Hi guys, good evening. How are you guys doing? I am alright. I am very fine. I'm sure this is the second time you guys are seeing me without hair. Really, I feel so nice. I feel so brave. Like, I feel so brave. Yeah. So I cut my hair. Anyway, a lot of people have been asking me why I cut my hair. I cut my hair because of allergies. I have very bad allergies. Alright. So my hair started falling off this side at the back, so I decided to cut it so that it can start growing again. I usually do that like maybe after 5 years. I have very bad allergies, especially when I eat something, or if they didn't tell me that they put the oil of that particular something. So every time I go out, I actually inform restaurants and whatever, or restaurants and also homes, that I do not eat that particular oil. But unfortunately, where I went, they said they did not add it, but they did. So my hair started falling off. But that aside, so I haven't been out in a long time. Like, I have not been out in a long time because work has been very busy. Like, work has been work, guys. It's been squeezing me here on my neck. Yeah, so today I decided to actually step out to go and meet my okay, he's my friend, guys. Like, this guy has been my friend. He's been my friend for a long time. So I haven't seen him in, like, I think the last time I saw him was like January. Okay, maybe April. No, not April, like January, February. So today I decided, we were actually supposed to meet last weekend, but Bear was Bear around? No, what happened? I don't know what happened. I was supposed to meet him, then we changed it to this weekend. So yeah, I am actually driving to Pinacomo. You guys know that I love Mozambique and I love seafood. So Mozambique is a restaurant that's at Pinacomo. That's where I'm going to meet him. So my place is a bit far from Pinaco. Even his place is like this side, but mine is further. So this is Shantumbo Road. I'm actually on Shantumbo Road, driving to Woodlands. Yeah, I think it's Woodlands. It is Woodlands, right? Is it Woodlands or Kablonga? If you're in Lusaka, please let me know where Pinacomo is. Pinacomo, Novarmo. Is it Woodlands or Kablonga? But yeah, that's where this girl is going today. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I am actually at Pinacomo. What do you want? Ice cream from the paper. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I have laka. Yeah, I have to bath. I haven't bathed. Anyway,
it has grown fast.
Yeah, it has. This is dandruff. Huh?
I've got a pala.
Yeah, I've got a pala.
He's saying him.
You have a pala? Oh, how is the banana? Okay. Guys, so yesterday when I went to that dinner, when I went for that dinner, unfortunately, like, our conversations were tense, so I couldn't film really. Like, I couldn't, because it was like personal stuff that we were talking about, you know. But yeah, we were there for close to 2 hours, 2 hours 30. Like, it was an amazing dinner. We ordered a bottle of wine, drank it. I ate
Pizza?
No, I ate beef espetadas and calamari. No, yeah, so that's what I ate. He ordered a steak with some chips. I had veggies and just Yeah. So it was an amazing time catching up with a friend. And today I am stuck with these humans. So we are at the market. This is Munyaule man.
It's brown and green.
It's
Brown and green.
it's brown. The ice cream. Okay. So right now we are by Munyaule market, guys. Almost everyone is using gensets now. So people are servicing gensets. This is a market. You can see they are selling my favorite vegetable, my favorite Irish. My sister has gone this side. Ernest.
He wants to sit here.
Ernest.
He wants to sit there.
Stop fighting. My sister has gone to look for vegetables there. We usually buy from a relative. So yeah, that's where she's going. I've been taking a picture. When you do like that, it takes a picture. Yeah, where is it? I've been grabbing weird fish. Hello, they look black.
They smell bad.
Yeah, but that's what I want. I'm gonna prepare them. Let's go prepare together anyway. I think my helper knows, so she'll cook them. We don't know how to cook them. I want them fried and in a bit of tomato. Yeah, so let's go home. Let's go home, guys. So today I'm cooking, and also I was eating groundnuts, and also I got this pot from mom. I'm not cooking a lot of things, but yeah, I'm sure you guys know these pots. It's the one I'm using today. This was my pot. My grandma left it for me, but mom was using it to cook for her dad. But today, yeah, so we're gonna cook sausage wrap and those small sardines they're stinking. I hope. Yeah. And also I don't know how to do a brazier, so they're laughing at me that I put up very big pieces of charcoal back. So instead of putting it on the fry, this is what we're gonna do. This is how I cook it. So in a very hot pan, I just lay them down, and then they're gonna fry this side, then we turn them, we fry the other side. So yeah, with its own parts. Let me just close for now. I'm gonna make a cheese. It's ready. It's hot. Wrap is ready. Now Mary is cooking shima. Then we will eat. So this is hot water now. They are in hot water. They'll soak a bit. Then wash them. They are smelling bad. So these ones have been deep fried, and then we're gonna make soup for them. Gravy. Guys, I can confirm that they are so stinky. So stinky. Yeah, and they have brought flies. But I'm still gonna eat them. Guys, so I wanna eat Shima now. Ethan is already eating. Hi, how is it, Shima? We can tell. I'm gonna bake my own plate. I was in the shower. The ladies are also. Oh, I made a star in I washed it and did like this. So this is part of the sauce that I had here, and I load this side behind. Let me dish out. Rip. I think this is village chicken, beans, village chicken, this carpenter. Let me taste it even. I'm coming to get another one. That I know. That I know. I'm coming to get another one. So let me eat this first. I'm gonna come around. Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing today? So I am super sorry. I know this vlog is not making sense at all. So let me tell you what happened yesterday. After cooking and after vlogging, because I was using my phone, I haven't unpacked my bags since Livingstone. So I don't know where my batteries are, I don't know where my cameras are, but they must be in the house. So I was vlogging using this particular phone yesterday. And when I started eating shima, like we were deep into stories, and then my nephews got my phone, went outside, they were playing games, watching YouTube. They brought it back and they were like, Big Mama, they call me Big Mama. They were like, Big Mama, your phone is battery low. And mind you, power cut at our place on Friday. Today is Sunday. So power cut on Friday at 8. Yesterday Saturday, when I was vlogging, it came at 18 and cut at 18:15. It has not yet been restored. So my sister called me a few minutes ago. Time check is 8:40. She called me at I think she called me at 8:20, 8:10, 8:15. Let me check, because I was communicating with Bay using this phone. So she called me at 8:04. She called me at 8:04. I just woke up. I'm here, like, with my PJs. I was like, no, I need to go and charge. So I am charging this phone. It's at 12% now, and I'm like, let me do this vlog so that I tell you guys what we are going through in Zambia. We are going through problems. Like in Zambia, we are the definition of problems. We are the definition of Zambia. We are the definition of problems. So I'm at my sister's place. I'm like, no, I need to charge. I brought almost so here is the phone that I use for. This is my extension, by the way. I came with my extension in case they say, no, the extension is full. So I came with my extension. This is my phone I use for editing. This is my power bank. This is the office line. So this is my phone that I use for WhatsApp, Facebook, edit. This is it. So I'm gonna charge. Then I will let you guys what time I'm gonna leave this place. Otherwise, my house is unattended to. I just locked the door and ran here. Mary is not at home. She went for a weekend. Guys, I'm suffering. When Mary is at home, there is power. When she's not at home, so boys are busy making noise. They're like, give us a phone. We want to play games. Give us. But they have their own tablets. I don't know why kids are like that. Really, have kids, they say it. Yeah, guys, so I thought of coming here to just give you an update of what's going on. Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. Guys, guess what? I have left my sister's place now. At least all my gadgets are on, fully charged. But it's hot. It's 32 degrees Celsius outside, yo. It is super, super hot. I'm joining the main road. Let me wear my seatbelt and go home. I just want to go home, shower, and sleep, because I didn't do anything today. So my house is not even dirty. I'll just open windows and just sleep. Yeah. Hey guys, today is a Monday. Guess what? I didn't do the video. I don't know this video, like this particular video is not even making sense at all. It's not making sense, not to me. I'm sure even not to you guys. But guys, yesterday I was so upset. I was so upset yesterday. Let me tell you what happened. So remember I was charging my gadgets at my sister's, right? When I went back home, I thought maybe I was going to have to find power. Remember, power cut on Fridays at 8. The whole lot of Saturday we didn't have power. Yesterday, Sunday, nothing. So when I went back home, guess what welcomed me? And then the smell that welcomed me, guys, it was very bad, like from the freezer. It was very bad. I didn't actually know that. I didn't open it because I told you my helper is not at home. So I didn't open it. I thought maybe, you know, everything is okay because it's in the freezer. Yo! The relish that was on the trays, it just melted, and I had pork, I had like some bacon, I had, guys, everything went bad, like everything went bad. And then now when I opened it, I don't know where the flies came from. I wanted to cry. So what I did, I just started cleaning it. Like I took it outside. Now for me to push it outside, oh, I took it outside, I started cleaning it, and then my it was so disgusting, guys. That's how I cleaned it. And I someone advised me to leave it open, so I left it open up to like this morning. And then they advised me to put like charcoal inside because it sucks very, very bad smell. I only hope it works. So the upright, I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. I think my helper is now home, so I'm gonna text her to just clean it and just remove everything. Even the tomatoes, like, should just remove them, wash them, and put them outside. Otherwise, nothing is working here in Zambia, guys. Like, nothing is working. And mind you, today is only the 16th. I bought relish for up to the 30th. And now what am I going to be eating? Huh? Like fresh produce. What am I going to be eating? Anyway, I thank God I have eggs and carpenter. So I'll just be buying like maybe tinned fish, corned beef. Yeah, so I thought I should come here. This is Monday. I'm in the office. Yeah. So I thought I should come here and just finish this vlog, which is not making sense. Otherwise, I love you guys. And also let me know what you want to see in Lusaka. I'm not traveling next month. It's been hot and my face has been doing the most. You've seen the rush despite me wearing sun protection, but it's very hot. So I am hoping by October it will start raining so that I can start going out there. But yeah, I love you guys. If you want me to show you any restaurant, anything in Lusaka, just let me know. And that's a video that's gonna come next. I'll be going through your comments. I love you guys.